Dairy products. During pregnancy, you'll need extra protein and calcium to meet your baby's needs. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are good choices. Dairy products contain two types of high-quality protein, casein and whey. Dairy is the best dietary trusted source of calcium. It also provides phosphorus, B vitamins, magnesium, and zinc. Yogurt, especially Greek yogurt, may be especially beneficial. Some varieties also contain probiotic bacteria, which support digestive health. If you're lactose intolerant, you may also be able to tolerate yogurt trusted source, especially probiotic yogurt. Check with your doctor to see if you can test it out. A whole world of yogurt smoothies, parfaits, and lassi could be waiting.